So if you want to create a bootable disk for installing your operating system, then the first thing you need to have is the operating system itself. So you must have an ISO image of either a Windows or Linux. Now Linux is easy to get because you just need to go to your browser and type something like Linux download, for instance. So if I wanted to download Linux, then I just type this and then I'll search, then I'll download the type that I want or the distribution that I prefer to use. So in this case I use Ubuntu. You can download Ubuntu and install it. If it is Windows, you'll still need to get the ISO image. The second step that you need to do is you need to go and look for this system called Rufus. Now Rufus is just a way that helps you. It is just an application that will help you combine this or convert the ISO image into a bootable, maybe uninstallable version of that operating system that you've downloaded. So you go to your browser and look for Rufus. So if you search Rufus, you'll find it there. Then you can just tap this and then you can download it. So once you've downloaded Rufus, it will be much easier to create your operating system. So you just scroll down, look for the correct version that you would like to download. If you want to download for your Windows or maybe 64-bit, you click on that and then maybe say download it. So that file is supposed to download, then you save it. Now once you've saved this file, so it's usually a very small file, so once you've saved it, you can always go to your downloads and look for it, open the folder, show in folder. So if you run this application, you don't need to install anything, just need to right click on it and either run as an administrator or just double click it. Both ways, both of the things work. So you just need to run the application directly without running any installation, then it will start. So you will start it. Now once you've started this, the first thing that you need to do is you need to select a device. Now you need to have a flash disk that is 8 GB of space or more. So if you have anything less than that, it will not work. So in this case I do not have any disk plugged in. So you're supposed to plug in your flash disk and select it. Once you've selected it, you need to select your ISO image. So usually make sure that this section is set to ISO image. Then you'll tap select your ISO image and then you'll go to the downloaded ISO image of the operating system that you wanted to install. You select it and add it here. So once you've added this, make sure that in this settings, the file system, you set it to MBR, and then the other side you'll have UEFI. Then once you've done that, you just tap on search. Now on start. Now one thing that you should know is that anything within the disk that you will be using will be erased. So make sure that you have a free disk that has no important information, properly formatted, and then you can use it. Once you tap on start, it will clean the files, compile the bootable device that you want, and then it will finish, and then you can now close, use your flash disk to install your operating system in any other PC or any device that you like to use it on. So that's simply how you create a bootable device on Windows 10.